Hello Sagittarians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video we'll see what are the messages for you for the end of the month or the coming half of the month and the end of the year. So let's see what are the messages for Sagittarians. So we have the Two of Pentacles, the Ten of Swords, Seven of Swords, Six of Wands, Ten of Cups, Hangman, the Knight of Pentacles, the Two of Wands, and the Ten of Wands. Okay. So Sagittarians, you are dealing with a situation in which somebody is trying to either manipulate you, or somebody is getting away with something, or you getting away with something. There is some sort of, it is not a very good energy, there is some sort of a lies, deception or a cheating going on. Somebody is sneaking away or you sneaking away, I don't know. And because of that you want to take a decision, but it's tough for you to take a decision or tough for you to get out of the situation, but you really want to get out of it. Okay, so because of this energy of somebody trying to get away with things or somebody trying to cheat on you, that energy is there, and because of that you really feel upset, you really feel backstabbed, you feel really upset, you want to come out of this situation. Okay, and what I feel is that slowly and steadily you will be able to get back up. Okay, you will be able to achieve happiness and victory here, because what I feel here is that with the Six of Wands, the Ten of Cups and the Hangman, the situation of your happiness is stuck sort of, or is on stagnation, is on hold because of this energy. That's what I feel. All your happiness, all your relationship stability, all your wish fulfillment sort of, you can say, which give that family vibe, or your success, your happiness, your emotional stability in the sense of a family commitments, long-term relationships, they are put on hold here. They are not moving forward. There is an energy of stagnation at this aspect of your life. Okay, and then we have the Knight of Pentacles, the Two of Wands and the Ten of Wands. I think you've been waiting for someone here. You are, and slowly and steadily, see, you have love for a situation here, you have love for some person here, and you're waiting and waiting and waiting. That's what I feel. Okay, and finally I think that is what this indecisiveness is about. You are at crossroads, you really don't know how to deal with the situation, you're still waiting for someone here, but and because of that there is stagnation here at your emotional happiness level. But what I feel is you will quit this waiting, and you will decide that okay, I'm done with it, and you will liberate yourself from this indecisiveness and this waiting situation. That's what I feel. Slowly and steadily you will work to come out of this stagnant energy, and in which the things are not moving forward. I think you will make a move, because somebody is cheating on you, somebody is doing something here which is actually killing your happiness, and which is actually killing your relationships maybe, or the happiness in the relationship I should say. And you will slowly and steadily stop waiting for things to be okay perhaps, or stop waiting for that person to be back or something of that sort, and you will slowly and steadily walk away from this situation. That's what I feel. But somebody here is either manipulating you, cheating you, or you doing that to them, I don't know, but there is a sneaky energy over here in your vicinity, in your surrounding, in your life, which is hampering, which is causing stagnation in your emotional happiness, and you're getting family stability, commitments, love, relationships on that aspect. Okay, but slowly and steadily you will be able to deal with this situation, and have the energy and the guts to come out of this situation and stop waiting. That's what I feel. I just hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Sagittarians. Thank you.